Good morning or good afternoon mga ka-virgins. So today, Saturday, blessed day sa inyo lahat. Andito ako sa mototowne sa Pasig and andito yung FKM Motors. So may test drive silang ginagawa dito and we'll check to see test drive natin mga motor nila. FKM Motor is one of the, I believe it's also, it's a Singaporean made motorcycle. Hindi, konti pa lang sila dito sa Philippines at ngayon meron silang mga test drive, in-exhibit nila yung mga motor nila. So, I hope na makapag-test drive ako ng mga motorcycle nila. At the same time, tingnan natin din kung ano yung mga specs and features. And of course, ilalagay ko na rin ang prices. And if I get an opportunity, I will take a photo and video side by side with my Rusi post. So I'm sure it's probably out of our league kasi maganda ang FKM. Pero meron din silang mga motorcycle na entry level and budget friendly. So samahan niyo ako mga ka-virgins and hope na magustuhan niyo itong video na to. This is all for you. Thank you. Intro muna tayo mga ka-virgins. Alright, mga convergence. First motorcycle na tinest ko is the MTX150. Napakaganda nito motorcycle na to. It has a hybrid assist and it's launched this year, 2023. I think very premium ang feel niya, mga convergence. Very premium din ang specs and features niya. I think this is panlaban sa mga branded na tulad ng PCX or NMAX. So, let's go. Montage natin ang mga features niya. Alright, mga convergence, i-test drive na natin ang MTX150. So, overall, mga convergence, maganda ang feel niya. By the way, here is the specs of the motorcycle. So, very premium ang datingan niya, mga convergence. Yung feeling niya na parang very sturdy, napakatibay niya. Maganda ang arangkada for 150cc, mga convergence. Para kang naka-quick throttle na, medyo matigas yung gas niya pero pag konting piga mo lang, umaandar na siya. So, one thing also, the suspension is very good, although wala pa akong lubak dito of course, but the suspension, the play, maganda siya. Yun lang, nanibago lang ako dahil nasa gitna yung fuel tank niya, hindi ako sanay papat. But overall, very premium ang feel ng motorcycle na to, kaya siguro medyo pricey siya. So kayo na magusga and nakita nyo naman ang specs. Oh, correct? Thank you sa inyo. Okay, our next motorcycle is Fyro 175. Okay, mga convergence, i-test drive natin ng Fyro 175. So by the way, here is the price, 89,800 for cash. And here is the specs of the motorcycle. Okay, samahan nyo ako, i-test drive natin siya. The looks and the feel ng Fyro 175 is, I can compare it with Honda Click. Kasi kamukha nyo yung Honda Click, may short visor siya. Pareho sila ng rim diameter. The only difference is the fuel tank. Nasa mid ang fuel tank ng Fyro, while the Honda Click of course is nandun din sa seat. So here you go, test driving natin siya. Maganda rin ang kanyang handling. So but compared to the MTX na tinry ko kanina, of course, this is still not parang normal or typical na standard siya talaga na scooter. Parang Honda Click, if napag-drive na rin ko ng Honda Click. So I guess that's why medyo mas mababa yung price niya. Nasa 89,800 lang siya or 90,000 cash price. So not much of a difference when it comes to the driving experience nito. The brakes are malakas. Suspension is also okay, although again wala naman pa akong lubak dito. Maganda rin ang play ng suspension niya sa likod. And then mukhang mabilis siya. Although sa arangkada kanina parang feeling ko mas mabilis umangkada yung MTX but siguro this is 175cc, so most likely ito may pangdulo to, ang laban to sa pandulo. So what else? Yun mga convergence, maganda naman siya. Yung handle niya typical standard din lang, like parang Rusi pulse ko rin lang. Yung throttle niya hindi siya as responsive na katulad ng sa MTX. Siguro nga kasi talagang premium yung MTX, but the throttle is okay. Dito parang Rusi pulse or typical na standard na motorcycle ang throttle response niya. What else? So there you go mga convergence. Hanggang dito na lang siguro tayo, medyo mahaba ng video. I hope you like this video of the two motorcycle of FKM. Sana nagustuhan nyo, sana nakatulong to. And once again guys, I appreciate your support. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe on my video and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much and God bless. Ride safe mga convergence. Face in your face.